Hi everyone, today we will solve this equation by using a single trig function. So we have our original equation is 1 minus cosine of x equal to sine square of x. So we can see we have 2 sine square of x is in Pythagorean identities. So we can see sine square of x in this Pythagorean identities. So we can take part of it by so for sine square of x will be equal 1 minus cosine square of x. So we can put 1 minus cosine square of x to sine square of x. So we will have 1 minus cosine square of x will equal 2 times with 1 minus cosine square of x. Next part, we will minus 2 times with 1 minus cosine square of x is sine. So we have 1 minus cosine of x minus 2 times 1 minus cosine square of x will be equal 0. Now we can multiply minus 2 times with 1 minus cosine square of x. So we have 1 minus cosine square of x minus 2 plus 2 cosine square of x could be equal 0. Now we will simplify this equation. So we have minus cosine of x will equal with minus 1 plus 2 cosine square of x equals 0. Only part we can factor this equation. So we can take minus cosine square of x will be minus 2 cosine of x plus cosine of x minus 1 plus cosine square of x. So we can see we have cosine of x and cosine of x. So now we put them together. So we have minus 2 cosine of x minus 1 plus cosine of x plus 2 cosine square of x equal 0. So how we can take minus 1 outside. So inside we will have 2 cos of x plus 1. This part. The other part we take out cosine of x. So inside we only have 1 plus 2 cosine of x equals 0. This one and this one is same, right? So we can take its outside. So have be 2 cosine of x plus 1. And the inside we have cosine of x minus 1 will become 0. So far our equation is become 2 cosine of x plus 1 times with cosine of x minus 1 will become 0. Okay, so we have we see this one and this one time will become 0, so we can take it out. We have 2 cosine of x plus 1 will be 0. Cosine of x minus 1 will be 0. Two cosine of x plus 1 we can solve to cosine of x equal negative 1 over 2. Cosine of x minus 1 we can solve to cosine of x equal 1. Okay, so now we can find our solution of cosine of x equal negative 1 over 2 and cosine of x equal 1. So on the unit circle from interval 0 to 2 pi, we only can see that we only have 2 places. That's cosine of x equal negative 1 over 2. So you can see that the first one is 2 pi over 3. The second one is 4 pi over 3. So we can, based on this, we can solve x. So x will be equal to 2 pi over 3 and x equal to 4 pi over 3. So for cosine of x equal 1, on the unit circle, there's only one place. So x only can equal to 0 or 2 pi. So you can solve for x, we go 0 or 2 pi. So finally we will have x equal to 2 pi over 3, x equal 4 pi over 3, x equal to 0, and x equal to 2 pi.